My first question is, how can I get my ex-husband to pay his debt? According to the divorce decree, he is responsible for paying the 2015 taxes. However, he has not paid yet, and every year my tax return is taken to cover the debt. I have sent letters to the IRS, but nothing has changed. What steps can I take to resolve this issue and get my tax refunds back?
Oh, I love this question, niece.
How can I continue to be in abundance?
Oh, you can, darling. And you know, Auntie is good and messy for her nieces. Okay, so here we go. You got your pen and paper.
Yeah, I got the notes. I
Got your
got
notes.
the
Get your
ready.
notes. Get your notes. Number one, spend a little money and file a motion with the court to enforce the divorce decree, because you've got your backup, right? You've got the divorce decree where it says he owes you this debt. So you can provide evidence to the court that he's not paid this debt. So start with the legal issues, the legal fire, right? Number two, contact the IRS Taxpayer Advocacy Service. Have you heard of them before?
No,
It's
wait a
a
minute. Contact IRS tax advocacy.
Taxpayer Advocacy Service, which is TAS. And they are a free service, and they will work on your behalf with the Internal Revenue Service to go after him to pay your debt. When you talk to TAS, ask them to help you file amended tax return for the tax years that you were married to him and filed merit filing joint. And what you're going to need to do is file form injured spouse form. That form is form 8379. I'll say it again. It's the IRS form 8379. It's the injured spouse form. And you can go back and amend your tax returns for the years that you filed with him to file this form. You are the injured spouse. You are the one who didn't have the debt. And so what happens with this is then that puts the IRS on notice that they should not be taking your tax refunds to pay his debt. It's one of the reasons why TiTi always says when you get married, if you ain't done that good credit check and check them IRS and all that before, file separately. Never file jointly.